Knee joints are among the most complex and powerful structures of the human body, providing support for the body's weight and facilitating movement of the lower limbs. This is especially essential for sitting, standing, and walking. Often, conservative remedies such as medications, physical therapy, and surgery are preferred to address knee pain and associated impairments. Still, most have chosen these treatments as the most effective solution. Today, a revolutionary approach is changing the future of orthopedic care: regenerative medicine powered by stem cells. Stem cells have the unique ability to modify inflammation, regenerate damaged tissue, and promote healing from within, using your body's own biological material. For knee issues like meniscus tears, cartilage thinning, ligament injuries, and arthritis, stem cells activate natural repair, often preventing or delaying the need for surgery. The procedure is minimally invasive, no cuts, no stitches, and rapid recovery. Stem cells are collected from your own body and gently introduced into the affected knee. Several types of stem cells help treat knee osteoarthritis effectively. Mesenchymal stem cells, found in bone marrow, fat tissue, and joint fluid, known for repairing cartilage. Adipose-derived stem cells, rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Bone marrow-derived stem cells, powerful in tissue regeneration. Induced pluripotent stem cells, advanced lab-engineered cells with embryonic-like healing potential. Studies show a 70 to 85% success rate for knee osteoarthritis. Most patients report reduced pain, improved flexibility, and better stability within weeks. Unlike temporary injections or painkillers, stem cell therapy promotes long-term healing, addressing the root cause instead of just masking the symptoms. Regenerative medicine is reshaping orthopedic care, safer, effective, and built on the body's own ability to heal. If you're ready to restore movement and live pain-free, consult Stem Cell Care India today. Your journey towards stronger, healthier knees begins now.